Caribu by Mattel. So here is the app: read, draw, play on a video call. Draw together, play, read, and draw in a video call. Imagine the fun, tell stories with stickers, interactive games for every age. Kids can't wait to play. Make memories with daily story time. Is the award-winning app that brings families together for interactive, educational, and entertaining virtual playdates. Caribu has created video calling for families with a library of thousands of books, activities, games. Caribu video calls families can draw, read bedtime stories, solve puzzles, play memory, and learn in games. Families across 200 plus 100 countries, territories connect on Caribu for immersive and activity-rich kids and family video calls. So here you can just tap Get to install it. So just double click to install it. Key features, quite popular app. And then you can just sign up and start from here.